Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a text over an image in Elementor. So for doing that, just simply go to your Elementor page. Now in order for you to add a text over an image, the first thing that you have to do is add a structure. So for doing that, click on this plus icon over here, then take the first block. Now this is your structure. So now over here you have to add a background. So for doing that, click on this center icon over here, then go to style. Now in background type, click on slideshow. Now in the background, just simply click on this classic brush icon over here. Then over here you will find image, just simply click on choose image. So if you want to upload your background, just simply go to upload file and click on the select file. Then just simply drag and drop or select your particular media, and then after that just simply click on insert media. But for this example I will just simply show you on any background. So let's go with this background over here. Then just simply click on insert media. Now as you can see, our background has been exported. Now let's add some padding. So go to advanced and add a bit of padding. Let's go with 108. Now as you can see over here in this portion, a little bit of the picture is getting cut off. So for fixing this issue, what you can do is just simply go to style, and first just simply change the positions. You can do center, center left, top center, or whichever you want. So I will just simply go with center. What is the size? Just simply click on display size and choose cover, and the part where it is getting cut off now is fixed. Now it's time to add a text on top of the background. So for doing that, just simply go to this cube icon over here and add a heading. Now let's simply write something like life is better at the lake. So after writing the text, just simply center it. Now let's change the coloring of the text. Go to style, go to text color and change it to whichever text color you want. Then if you want to change the font, you can also do that, but in this video I'm not going to do that. Now let's add a shadow. Let's add some blur as well. Now after that, change the size of the text if you want. You can do it from over here. Or you can go to advanced, and over there you will find transform. Just simply click on it, and there you will find size or scale. Click on the pencil icon and change the scale accordingly. Or you can just simply go over here in layout. Now in advanced, you can also add many more things like motion effect, like fade in or fade in down, or many more animations like this. But for me, I'll just simply keep it at nothing. What I want to add is a border, so I'll just simply click on borders, then give it a little bit of radius. But before that, simply choose a border type like solid, doubled, dotted, or anything like that. So for me, I'll just simply go to solid. Now after selecting solid, just simply give some width to it. You can also give some radius if you want to, but for now I think I don't want a border, so I'll just simply remove it. Now after you're making all the changes, in the end what you have to do is just simply click on update, and after that just simply click on preview changes. And now when you scroll down, you will see your text over an image, and that's it. So thank you for watching. and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.